Someone insults you, lies to your face, ghosts you. You feel the heat rise, anger, frustration, pain. And then later, you feel drained, like you gave a piece of yourself away. Here's what no one ever tells you. Anger doesn't come from what happened. It comes from how you perceive what happened. And today, I'm going to teach you the one Stoic trick that makes you untouchable. No more emotional chains, no more losing control. This will change how you respond to everything. Before I tell you the trick to diffuse this anger, we must look at the source of anger. We think anger is caused by other people. He made me mad. She triggered me. They disrespected me. But that's false. The Stoics taught that no one has the power to make you feel anything unless you give them that power. Epictetus said, "It's not things that upset us, it's our judgment about those things." You didn't get angry because they insulted you. You got angry because you believed you shouldn't have been insulted. You believed the world should follow your expectations, and when it didn't, you suffered. Here's the one mindset shift that will give you emotional freedom for life. The dichotomy of control. Epictetus broke the world into two simple categories. What's under your control, what is not. That's it. If something is outside of your control, it doesn't deserve your emotional energy. Can you control someone lying to you? No. Can you control someone ghosting you? No. Can you control how your boss, your ex, your parents treat you? No. But you can control how you respond. So the next time something triggers you, stop. Ask yourself, is this under my control? If the answer is no, you drop it. You don't feed it. You return your focus to what is in your hands, your mindset, your choices, your path forward. Let me give you a few examples, because this isn't just theory, it's training. Someone cuts you off in traffic. Control? None. Reaction? Calm breath, slight smile. He's rushing, I won't. You send a long message and they leave you on read. Control? None. Reaction? Peace. Their silence says more about them than me. A coworker spreads rumors about you. Control? Nope. Reaction? Steady action. Truth plus time equals exposure. You win every time you don't allow others to pull you down to their level. Marcus Aurelius said, "The best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injury." This Stoic trick doesn't just help you avoid anger, it frees you. Because when you stop reacting to things outside your control, you stop being a slave to everything and everyone around you.